Hey everyone, it is Danielle Johnson here, and I'm kind of doing a cheater version of showing you my live video. So this is a program called Screencast-O-Matic. If you're not aware of it, it is a free program, and you can record your screen. So I can show you, look, I'm going to flip from things here. Here's a Google survey I was working on. Here's my Screencast-O-Matic, and back to Facebook. So you can record your screen, and look, you guys can see everything I'm doing as I'm scrolling, as I'm talking. So in this particular situation, I actually have a live video that I want to show you guys, and so I'm going to quit talking once this plays. This is just my way of being able to put it onto YouTube so that I can share this live video with the rest of my downline, other team, directors, that sort of thing. So here we go. I guess I need to kind of find the exact spot for the tripod. Mickey the cat has decided to join us. So, here's what we got, guys. 1 week left of this special. This is the best special of the year, if you are not aware of that. We are totally crooked because we're outside. Totally fine. We're working with it. We don't care. Best special. Large utility totes, our #1 selling bag. They have too many large utility totes. I'm going to show you and remind you how they need the accessories to go with it, okay? #1 challenge to do this. You are not going to get sales, I promise you. I cannot say this enough. I know some of you think, oh, Danielle, you sound like a broken record, but you're going to hear me all year long saying it. Ladies, I do not get sales from my customer page. Some people do. There's a science to it. I'm not saying it's impossible, but you are not going to get a ton of sales month after month after month from there, okay? Not unless you really work it. What you're going to get sales from is being personal. So, what do we got going on here behind me? Here's what Danielle is going to do right after she gets off of here. First of all, here's what Danielle's been doing, okay? Let's rewind. So, Saturday, if you were at retreat, we did our own quick little booking blitz. Is anybody on? How come I have nobody joining me? You guys are making me sad. Saturday, if you were at retreat, we had a booking blitz, and we personally messaged everyone, or we kind of all did different. This is what I was doing. I did my past hostesses, and I've got to do my past consultants. Some of us did our best customers. Some of us were pulling reports of people who have bought large utility totes before. Whatever that looks for you. Your Frank's list, there were some ideas. Okay, so there were some ideas on messages. We sent them messages at that point, asking them, we kind of said, hey, we have this amazing large utility tote that I like to say is kind of like the Cadillac style of large utility totes. Can I show you a quick video about it? My neighbor's waving at me. That's the joy of going live outside, right? So we sent those out, okay? And little by little, I've been getting no thank yous and sure's and all that, okay? So here's the Cadillac version, right, of the large utility tote, okay, right? This is our, if you have it, show your own, because you want to show what fits in it. Like, I have 3 water bottles. I'm going to go in and I'm going to get some more, like, beach towels probably and stuff, and show off all the amazing pockets, and show off how it stands up compared to our floppy large utility totes there in the back, right? Okay, so if you can show the difference with that, if you have it, awesome. If you don't sweat it, okay? We're going to be super crooked again, but that's okay. So this is one idea. This is the starting of sliding down the hill, right? We're not going in for recruiting. We can talk about that later. We're looking for parties. Okay, some of you are asking me, because I've been talking to you, it's too late to party now. How are they going to get that $600 tote? I just had a girl pick up a packet 2 nights that wants that tote. She is strictly doing online and orders. She's ready for her link. She's ready for catalog orders to take it to work. She's ready to show it to everybody she sees over Memorial Day. Whether they're going up north or they're staying home, they're probably going to see family and friends. What a great way to collect orders, right? So that's the first part. If they said no thank you, I said, can I show you this month's special? So that's when I'm then sending them a link or a picture to the special, and I'm specifically asking, because remember, we need questions or they don't have a reason to respond. Really, lady? Really? Stop. Remember that they need a question. Okay, so my question then is, do you already own a large utility tote? Because what that opens the door towards is if they don't own a large utility tote, then of course we're going to tell them the bazillion reasons why they need one, right? That's the easy one. If they're like, I've already got one, this is what we're going to do for those people. We are going to show them how they need accessories. So they need these two thermals. Mine still have water in them from the weekend. They need these to go in those large utility totes because they're going to use them for Aldi's and grocery shopping and picnics and everything else. So what's going to qualify for them for that? Well, here's some ideas that can total up to $35. A lid, $10. Show them how they need a lid. A pocket of tote. Show them how it snaps right on there. Maybe throw your keys and your phone and a couple of things that you really want to keep safe. Maybe they need a zipper pouch or another waterproof one for the beach. Or maybe they need a sunglass case. These are $15. Zipper pouches are $15. So make your own little $35 bundle that's going to qualify them for those thermals. Sell them that, okay? So here's what I'm doing next. So this is what I've been doing, okay? So that's kind of my little slide down the mountain right now. I still continue to get no thank yous, and I'm asking for referrals, and I'm telling them that I give great referral gifts, and most of the time they are like, oh, how sweet. I will let you know if I think of anybody. So here's what I'm doing next. So that's what I've been doing with my messaging. Those are my follow-ups. Yes, I booked a party for this month. Yes, I have a couple parties lined up for June and July. We're just looking at dates. And yes, I have several people looking for orders. Oh, I forgot another one. Father's Day. I'm asking them two questions. So I'm asking them if they own a large utility tote, and I'm asking them if they have done their Father's Day, if they have anyone to Father's Day shop for. So I'm going to show them ideas for that. So here's what I'm now going to do as soon as I get off of here. I just announced before I came here on my customer page that I'm going live in a few. Who is excited? Who's curious? And I put a picture of me holding a curious sign. And I'm going to show them a couple of things. So I am going to first show them this Cadillac version and how it's leaving us in a week, right? But it's not too late. If you want to collect orders over the next week, over the weekend, if you're going up north or if you're staying home, you're going to see people at your picnics, and then you're going to be at work next week. We can still close it by like Tuesday or Wednesday, right? So I'm going to show them that. I'm going to say, all right, then I'm going to ask some questions because we always want to ask questions when we go live, which I haven't been doing, right? So how many of you are still working this month? That's a question I want to ask you right now. Because remember, the more that we ask questions, the more that our live video shows up in everybody's feeds. So tell me right now, ladies, who's still working the end of their month? Show me your hands. Okay, so then I'm going to just talk about large utility totes. And I'm going to say something like, for me, I pulled all of my current colors. If you don't have that many, it's okay. Just show what you've got. Okay? But here's the key. You have to go live. That's it. You have to go live. If you want participation on your customer group, you have to go live. The only other thing that might get you participation is that post I showed you with the water stuff, but that's not selling them anything yet. That's just a fun game they're playing. Ladies, if you're scared to go live, you have got to get out of your comfort zone and do it. Look at me. I'm in a grubby old pants. I'm going live like this. I don't care. I'm outside. Mosquitoes are all over me. You have to go live. Don't doubt yourself. So, I think after I talk about this, sorry, I know I'm kind of going in circles. I think after I talk about this, then I'm going to say show of hands who has large utility totes, okay? If they have them, then I'm going to show them this, just like I showed you guys. I'm going to show them all the accessories that they need. And I'm going to remind them that those thermals are only this month. 1 week, those thermals are gone. Then, for me, because I'm fortunate enough, if you guys can see, I have all these bags that I'm going to hold up one at a time. And I'm not going to empty. I'm just going to say, here's my pineapple. I'm going to say, we're going to vote. Which one's your favorite? Here's my pineapple. It's full of my grocery totes, my essential storage totes, and my thermals in there. Here's one of my favorites, Sunset Medallion. Looks like a Southwest pattern. Number 2, whose favorite is this? Number 3, oh gosh, what's its name? Help me out. Stripe something. Loving this one for the summertime. Number 4. Don't remember this one either. Sunset? No, I don't know what it is. I need to learn the names. Number 4, and I'm going to make sure they vote that one. did you notice number 5 and number 6 are a little different? These are limited edition. These are also leaving this month. These have an amazing canvas. They have our jewel lined faux leather up here on your straps. They are creme de la creme. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is this one, and I'm going to have to tell you patio pop. I'm going to have to learn the names. Number 6. And last but not least, we have the cutest summer line. And I put a strawberry on this one. Who loves strawberries? 7. Southwest, thank you. Okay? So I'm going to tell them to vote, and I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to say everyone that votes on their favorite is entered into a giveaway. You're going to do some Happy Mail. But better yet, I'm going to do a giveaway if they order. So an even bigger prize. Someone is going to win. I don't know what. I'm going to say maybe a $25 gift certificate, and I'm going to use free credit towards anything they want in, I don't know, May or June. I got to decide. Haven't thought this through. I need to do that because I'm going live. But the point is, you see how I built up to all of this, okay? You do not have to be my cookie cutter. You may not have what I have, but you can make a version of me. I promise. You can hold up pictures. You can hold up those flyers that we have and show them. You can show what you do have. You can show pictures in there. You can find some graphics, but you have to go live and have fun with it, because then this is what's going to happen. So now, I should have already been doing this, because now when I'm doing those relationship messaging, now I have a video to say go check out all the stuff that's happening, okay? Oh, I can't forget Father's Day. I have nothing here to show for Father's Day. I'm probably going to just drum up how he would love those thermals. I don't think I have a camel one. Camel or black. I'll just have to talk about it. No big deal. So I'm going to have to talk about it. So now I have a video to send them to in my customer group. I can tag them to, and it just tells a ton of stuff, and then I can follow up with them, okay? So I know some of you are super busy. You're checked out for the weekend. I totally get that, but a lot of you aren't. A lot of you are like me. You're staying home. We're doing yard work this weekend. We're probably going to have a picnic on Monday and all that good stuff, but we're not going camping. Some of you that are, you still can work it while you're on vacation if you really want to. And I'm not saying take away from your family time, but I guarantee you could use a break every once in a while, and the kids are off doing their thing, riding bikes or whatever, and your husband's off chatting with the boys or whatever he's doing, and you could be sitting on your phone doing some of this. You could be going live with the stuff you're using. Be creative. It takes 5 or 10 minutes. Use your kids. Use your dog. Make them be live, okay? Not to mention we have Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday, even though I hate saying that because Thursday's the end of the month. I don't want to see you push it till Thursday. But this month is not over, ladies, and you should not be giving up on our #1 special. I'm telling you right now, this is our #1 special of the year. The Stand Tall insert in this is so coveted, it is not even funny. You need to be selling the bejeebas out of this. All right, if you just joined, yes, working it while camping, proud of you. You better be setting up stuff, have event slips ready, do a giveaway. Okay, ladies, if you have any other ideas, please shout them out. I hope this helped some of you, gave you even better ideas, and you're going to work the end of the month. Bye, guys. And you're going to not only work the end of the month, but you're going to book parties for this month and for the summer. Work your June and July now. Okay, bye again, for real.
Okay, I hope that helped just a little bit to end the month of May. Make it a great month.